Here are a few examples of the Fibonacci sequence, golden ratio, and spiral that routinely occur in nature. Okay. I will admit this is somewhat for clickbait, but attractive people quite literally fit within the Fibonacci spiral. The top or crown of the head, brow and base of the neck, fit within the Fibonacci spiral starting on the eye of a person with a nice face regardless of whether or not it is a man or woman. Male and or female models fit in the Fibonacci spiral started on the breast. In the interest of science, let us try this one time, to not get distracted by boobs. The key points of the hot person also match the Fibonacci ratio. Top of the head to the belly button is 38.2% of their overall height. Top of head to mid-thigh is the golden ratio of 61.8%. Then there are flowers. All the way out to galaxies. Little animals create shells along these same lines. Then boys and girls, there's the cold hard fact that human beings trading the stock market tend to react to stimuli in a manner reflected by. Say it with me now. Fibonacci.